In this video, we're going to learn how to find stuff in Linux, whether they're searching inside files, locating programs, or digging into hidden details. Let's start by creating a small demo lab we can play with. I'll use one complete command to set everything up in my home folder. This way we'll have some files and folders to test on. Once it's done, we can confirm it's there by listing the contents with ls. Now let's start with grep command. Grep is used to search for text inside files. For example, to look for the word password in our app.conf file, type grep password and path to that config file, which is tilde/demo_lab/app.conf. If you're not sure about uppercase or lowercase, you can ignore case sensitivity with -i. And if you want grep to search through all files in a folder, you can add -r for recursive search. Grep is also useful with other commands. For example, let's check our IP addresses. And now we can use grep to filter only the lines within it. Now let's talk about find command. This is one of the most powerful ways to search for files and directories on Linux. The syntax is this. Basically, you tell Linux where to look and what to look for. Let's try some example inside our demo lab. First, if I want to find a file with a specific name, I can run find, then path where to look for, then -name and name of the file in double quotes. And this will return the full path. Next, let's say we want to find all files with a certain extension, like .log files. For that, we run find path -type, T for directories and F for files, and then the name *.log. It means look for all .log files. Finally, we can also search by file size. For example, if I want to find files larger than 10 megabytes, I'll run find, then path, and then -size, and we'll put +10m for files larger than 10 megabytes. We can also use -10m for smaller than 10 MB or even 100k for kilobytes. So with just one command, we can track down specific files by name, type, or even size. That's why find is such a must-know tool for hackers and sysadmins alike. Another useful command is locate, but first we need to update its database. Just run sudo update dp. Now we can quickly locate our file, locate app.conf. Next, let's run some commands that give us information about programs, which shows the path to a command. Where is shows the binary, source, and manual pages. And what is gives a one-line description. Now let's check what type of file we are dealing with using the file command. For example, just type file and then the path to the file you want to check. And it's a script file. Let's check another one. The output just say data. That usually means Linux couldn't recognize a specific file type, so it's just treating it as raw binary data. If we try to read this file with cat, it looks messy. But if we use the strings command, it pulls out readable text. Just type strings and path of the file. Next, to see who's logged into the system, we can use who command. Or for more details, choose W. Last command shows login history. It tells us when users logged in, from where, and when they logged out. This is very useful for auditing and checking suspicious activity. And that's it for this video. Hope you find it helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.